What's the meaning of billiard? Billiard. Billiard.
Billiard. Billiard. Billiards is a game traditionally played with a cue stick and balls on a felt-covered table. The objective of the game is to score points by striking the balls with the cue stick, causing them to collide with each other and ultimately land in one of the pockets on the table. Billiards can be played as a social game or as a competitive sport, with different variations and rule sets. The origins of billiards can be traced back to medieval times, with its popularity spreading throughout Europe and eventually to the rest of the world. Today, billiards remains a popular pastime enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds.